Hi friends! This week we're talking a lot about fruit, and today I wanted to do an experiment with you where we're going to do kind of a volcano eruption with a fruit. So I'm going to show you what the fruit is and maybe you can help me say what it is. Does anyone know what fruit this is? It's a half of it, but it's a lemon. Nice. So in order to do this experiment at home, you're gonna need a lemon and someone to help you cut it in half, a bowl to put your lemon in so we can do the volcano eruption and it doesn't get everywhere. Then you're gonna need some vinegar, some baking soda, and if you have food coloring at home, that would be awesome, but in my home I don't have it. So I'm gonna use watercolor paints, and so then I also need my paintbrush for that. But if you have food coloring at home, I think it will work even better, but ours today in this video will work just fine. And then you also need a popsicle stick to make some points inside your lemon. So I have a few different lemon slices so that we can do the experiment a few times. So I'm gonna start with one of my lemons. So I'm gonna put it inside. Oops, maybe friends can see it like that. And then I'm gonna start poking the inside of the lemon a little bit so some of the juice comes out. So just you wanna take your popsicle stick and go inside the lemon. Then you're gonna take your food coloring, or in this case, I'm gonna use my watercolors and paint or put some drops inside the lemon. So I'm gonna do blue so that we can see blue inside the lemon. And the blue will come out hopefully once we do our volcano. So I'm painting the lemon blue. Does anyone remember what blue and yellow make together? Green. But I'm not seeing so much green in this color, so we'll have to see. Okay, so now my lemon half is blue. So the next thing that we're gonna do is take our baking soda and take a little bit and put it, oops, that was a lot. Put it on top of the lemon. And then I'm gonna save it, oh, it's fine. Okay, and then we're gonna take our vinegar and pour it over the lemon. So let's see what happens. Are my friends able to see? I'm gonna do a little bit more. Wow! Let me show you. The lemon erupted a little bit. And we use a lot of baking powder or baking soda and vinegar. So I'm gonna do it one more time with a different color so maybe you can see a different one. I'm just pouring out some of the ingredients. So here's my other lemon half, and I'm gonna still poke at it a little bit. Really make sure that all of the lemon has juice that'll come out too when we do the experiment. So I think that I'm gonna do the next one. Maybe red. So I'm gonna paint with my watercolors some red part of the lemon. And does anyone remember what red and yellow make together? Orange. Do you think that the lemon looks a little orange? Maybe a little bit. And again, if you have food coloring at home, you can do some drops inside the lemon so that it'll come out and you can see different colors. So I'm gonna do a little bit more baking soda, pour it in my spoon. Okay. And then I'm gonna pour it on top of the lemon. I'm gonna do a little bit more actually so that friends can see. Okay. There we go. Just a little bit on top. And maybe you can see there's a little bit of bubbling that's already happening because this bowl had some of the vinegar in it from the last one that we did. So maybe I'm gonna put the other one back in so we can see them both. Okay, perfect. And earlier I did another one, so maybe I'll put that one in too so we can see all of them erupt together. So I'm gonna pour some vinegar on top of our lemon and do it on the other ones. And maybe you can see at home when you do it, but they're all erupting and getting all fizzy. Oops. So friends, I hope you can do this experiment at home and squeeze some lemon juices and see your own experiments happen with some food coloring and some lemons, and maybe you can try other fruits at home too. Bye friends!